So, you have watched a lot of tutorials on how to make money on YouTube by re-uploading videos, but you're still confused and don't know what to do? Well, in this video, we're gonna talk about a brand new strategy this 2022 for re-uploading videos on YouTube. I'm gonna reveal to you an algorithm-based method that is pretty easy, and you can even do this even if you are a complete beginner. Some of the tutorials I see on YouTube when it comes to re-uploading videos is that it is very outdated and some of them don't actually work. Some idiot would say, just go to YouTube and search any video in there and filter it by Creative Commons and compile the videos and upload it to YouTube. What they don't know is that this kind of method is not applicable anymore and YouTube is tightening the guidelines every year when it comes to monetizing videos.
Are you serious?
This brand new method that I'm about to teach you is something that will not waste your time and is actually proven and tested. So the first step we're going to do is pick a niche. Having one niche is very important on YouTube because we don't want our channel to have scattered topics that viewers might find it confusing. Aside from that, your niche will also determine how much money you will earn per thousand of views or the cost per mile. Now, one of the most popular niches here on YouTube when it comes to re-uploading videos is the luxury niche. The luxury niche focuses on the lifestyle, expensive cars, multi-million-dollar mansions of the wealthiest person in the world. In addition, the luxury niche also belongs to the high CPM niche. A high CPM niche is basically a niche wherein advertisers are most likely to put advertise on.
Oh my God! Wow!
And because most of the content in this niche talks about money and expensive lifestyle, your monthly revenue will also be high. A good example of this niche is the luxury zone. Luxury zone produces videos about the famous and richest person in the world like Bill Gates' house, Drake's $100 million mansion, Cristiano Ronaldo's private island, how Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson spent his millions inside LeBron James' $52 million mansion, and a day in the life of Vladimir Putin. A good thing about this kind of niche is that you will never run out of content because there's a lot of variations you can do in this kind of niche. Now, I'm not advising you to just simply copy this channel word for word and upload it to your channel. You also need to be creative and knowledgeable when it comes to content creation. You might ask me, where can I get clips that I can use to re-upload videos on YouTube? Is it required to put voiceover in our videos? What editing software am I gonna use if I'm a complete beginner and don't have any experience on editing? When it comes to finding videos, there are two primary sources that I'm about to reveal to you. The first one is by the use of stock footage videos like Pexels and Pixabay. The second one is on YouTube itself. One of the common misconceptions is that we can't use stock footage and YouTube materials in our videos since we might get a copyright strike in our channel, and even worse, it might be difficult for us when it comes to monetizing our channel. Well, this is just completely misleading information because you can actually use other creators' videos as long as it follows the rules of fair use and you add educational value to your content. That is why I highly recommend that you first read and understand the YouTube monetization policies, in which I will provide the link in the description down below. If you get to understand the pieces of information written in here, you will know what is allowed and not allowed to do here on YouTube. Once you have opened the YouTube monetization policies, you will immediately see the list that you should follow for you to monetize your videos. An example of what is allowed to monetize is that you can use clips for a critical review, a scene from a movie where you've rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover, replays of a sports tournament where you explain the moves a competitor did to succeed, reaction videos where you comment on the original video, edited footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary. Once you have fully read and understand the YouTube monetization policies, we can now proceed in finding the clips that we are going to use in our videos. For this tutorial, I will be making a video about the richest NBA player of all time. According to Google, Michael Jordan has the highest net worth of any NBA player in history as of 2021. He is also regarded as one of the best players to step foot in the NBA because of his amazing three-point shooting skills, magnificent layup, dunking from the free throw line and many more. Aside from having great basketball skills, he also has a lot of sponsorships, numerous numbers of brand deals, and other investments like being the majority owner of the NBA team called the Charlotte Hornets. That is why he is considered as the richest NBA player, having amassed a whopping $2.2 billion net worth.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now that we've chosen our main topic, let's move on to finding the clips that we'll use in our videos. By the way, for this type of compilation video, one of the best ways to hook the viewers is to put an intense scene or the best highlights at the beginning of the video. Now the question is, where am I going to get the best highlights of Michael Jordan that we can safely use for our videos? Well, it's pretty easy. The NBA official channel itself contains high-quality videos and highlights that we can safely use in our videos. Just make sure to follow the rules of fair use so that we can use as many clips as we want.
Okay.
Since we are making a compilation video, I will make a video about Michael Jordan's most valuable possessions, including his luxury yacht, Highland Park mansion, and Mercedes McLaren SLR 722 edition. Now, let's find and download the clips that we are going to use in our videos. Once on YouTube, search for Michael Jordan's best highlights and select the video from the NBA's official YouTube channel, since most of the videos here are high quality and engaging. I'm just going to download it and store it in a separate folder. Remember, I'm not going to use all of the clips in here. Instead, I'm just going to pick the most jaw-dropping plays by Michael Jordan that I can use in my intro. So the next website from which we can obtain clips is Pexels. Pexels is a fantastic free stock footage website that provides high-quality videos and images. Aside from that, you can use any videos and images without fear of copyright violation. Furthermore, all of the materials in Pexels are free, so you don't have to worry about paying a monthly fee that will only add to your headaches. Now, simply search the word yacht on Pexels and it will automatically give you a bunch of results related to a yacht. Just simply select the video that you like and download it to your computer. Next, type the word mansion and download all the videos you want to use. When it comes to finding Michael Jordan's car, we can also use Pexels. Just simply type the brand of the car, which is Mercedes McLaren. Once you have found the Mercedes McLaren video, just download and store it in your folder. So basically what we are doing here is just downloading all the necessary clips that we are going to use in our videos, and the same process applies when you want to add more clips.
Okay.
Now I know, most of the videos that we have downloaded are not exactly Michael Jordan's yacht and mansion. But don't worry about that, because some of the clips we have downloaded are going to be the B-roll or just some supporting clips, and we are also gonna provide some pictures in our content to better emphasize the exact luxury items that Michael Jordan owns. When it comes to voiceover, you can either use your own voice and record it on your phone, or you can hire someone through Fiverr or Upwork. But what if you don't have enough money to pay someone on Fiverr and don't want to use your own voice since it makes you cringe? Well, text-to-speech is the solution. When it comes to text-to-speech, many people believe that it cannot be monetized on YouTube since it is considered reused content. But this is just completely wrong, because as long as you follow the YouTube monetization policies and you avoid having repetitive and reused content, your channel will be completely fine and will be good for monetization. One of my favorite text-to-speech software, which is human-like and very pleasing to hear, is Google Text-to-Speech and VoiceMaker. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use the Google Text-to-Speech. Question: do I need to write a script for this type of video? Absolutely, because one advantage of writing a script is that you will have an excellent workflow when creating your video, and you will never be confused about what to do next. By the way, I have already written the script to save us more time. After you have finished your script, you can now copy and paste it into Google Text-to-Speech. Another question: how do I download the MP3 file from Google Text-to-Speech? Well, you can use a screen recorder software like OBS or the WonderShare DemoCreator itself to download the audio. But I'm not going to teach you how to screen record anymore because there are already too many tutorials on YouTube. All you have to do is search for them.
What?
When you have downloaded all of the necessary videos and images for the video and the voiceover has been already recorded. Finally, we can compile and edit them into a single video. When it comes to video editing software, I primarily use Premiere Pro because of its advanced features. Additionally, there are a large number of presets available online that I can download for free. But because I'm assuming that all of you are new to video editing, I'll show you some free software that will allow you to edit your videos without having to pay a monthly fee. WonderShare DemoCreator is one of the best free video editing software when you want to edit your vlogs, gaming, and even YouTube tutorials. The download link for this software is provided in the description down below. After downloading and installing the WonderShare DemoCreator, simply click on Edit Video to start editing the videos we have downloaded a while ago. The user interface is very user-friendly and simple to understand, making it ideal for new creators. When you open the WonderShare DemoCreator, you will notice many buttons such as the library, effects, transition, annotation, caption, filter, and sounds. To import the videos we downloaded earlier, simply press the plus button and select Import Media Files. Now, for the voiceover, simply import the MP4 file that you recorded in Google Text-to-Speech. Take note, to separate the audio from the video, simply right-click on the MP4 file and select Audio Detach. To save time, I'm just going to edit this one and show you the finished product. Now the final video should look something like this.
So in today's video, I've compiled the top 3 most expensive things Michael Jordan owns. So let's get into it. First on the list is his luxury yacht named Catch 23. Michael Jordan's boat is expected to cost $8 million. As we all know, a lot of celebrities and billionaires own at least one expensive yacht that they usually use when they are going out for a vacation, having a family trip, and even when catching fish for leisure time. Viking built the yacht Catch 23 in 2018. MTU engines propulsion the yacht. Catch 23 is a lightning-fast game. She has a top speed of 40 knots. Her range is greater than 500 nanometers. The yacht has a capacity of 8 guests and a crew of 2.
As you can see, I only make the yacht video because making all 3 would make this video too long, and I know that the 40-second clip that I've presented to you should be enough for all of you to learn and understand how to properly create your video. If you want your video to be 8 minutes long in order for you to have mid-roll ads, all you have to do is add more clips and luxury items from the websites I showed you earlier. By the way, the music I used in the video is from YouTube's audio library. Just make sure to read and understand the license before using any music in there. After you have finished making your videos, the next step is to make our thumbnails. When it comes to thumbnail creation, I basically use Pixel Lab because it is simple to use and free to download on Android. After downloading the application, let us now go to Google and search for images of the luxury items you want to use. One of the techniques I used when creating my thumbnails was to use bright colors and facial expressions because it captivates the interest of those who saw your thumbnails. After which, import all the images in the Pixel Lab. Now, after you have imported the images on Pixel Lab, proceed by aligning the images so that they fit properly into the canvas. The image of Michael Jordan will then be enhanced with strokes and shadows to make him stand out. After that, I'll put the yacht's estimated price, which is $80 million. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, you can now save it to your device's storage. To export, click the 3 dots on the upper right corner and select Export Image, then press Save to Gallery. Now that you've completed your thumbnail, as well as the video is ready to be published, the last step is simply to upload it to your YouTube channel. Now, don't expect a million views on your first upload because, believe me, success on YouTube takes a bit of time and can't be achieved in the blink of an eye. So, if you're interested in learning more about faceless YouTube channels, check out this video, and I'll see you there.